The European Annual Meeting has so many facets to it because you have the people from the different countries with their different cultures and languages and backgrounds and their individual issues in the pharmaceutical industry. So there's so much to be learned from what the others are experiencing and from the solutions that they're developing.
The ISPE Annual Meeting in Europe really helps to get more people from Europe also engaged in ISPE, to contribute to this community from their perspectives. And they sometimes have fully different ideas to what we see here in the US.
What's really unique in the European Annual Meeting is that you get all those facets, aspects, cultural aspects, and people from all over Europe. And then on top of it, you have the regulators from all those areas. So it's again a unique event where you bring people together that you would not have in any other conference. So by the time European Annual Meeting comes along, we expect to have a final version of Annex 1. And whoever wants to know how to implement it and to find out what it really means should be there to discuss it with the regulators and to discuss it with your peers in the industry.
The European ISPE conference is a must-attend conference because you meet colleagues and you can exchange experiences. And you can learn, you can share, and you can benefit from presentations, but also from the exhibitions.